The basic path tool is something that you can use to create unique lines and shapes. It is a simple point-to-point tool and is operated by tapping the screen for each corner of the shape. Let me show you what I mean. First, let's activate the path tool. That's down here. It's the zigzag line with some circles spread along it. Tap on it to activate. Then tap anywhere on the cutting mat to set the origin. Now just tap again anywhere to create each corner point, and when you have finished drawing, double tap. This then creates a shape or line with a bounding box around it, which you can edit as you do any other shape. We don't only create open shapes with this tool, we can also create closed shapes. To do so, single tap to set the origin, plot out your shape, and then tap on the origin. This then closes the shape and places a bounding box around it. There are two different corner types. I've shown you by tapping you get a straight corner. However, if you tap and drag, you will see that two extra handles appear and that the corner is curved rather than straight. We can change the corner types after we have plotted them, and I will show you that when we come on to talk about path editing tools.